Have you heard the term predatory loan? Did you know that there's no real definition of predatory loans? Predatory lending has been defined with a number of different actions in the lending arena, such as bait and switch, fraud and deception, violation of particular state and federal statutes, such as the Federal Truth in Lending Act, such as state UDAP acts, unfair deceptive acts and practices, violations of RESPA, the Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act, violating HOPA, the Home Ownership Equity Protection Act. What does that all mean? If you've experienced a loan closing or a loan origination process where you were promised to have, let's say, a 30-year fixed rate loan, and when you got to closing, it happened to be an adjustable rate loan. If your closing, from the time you took application to the time you closed, if that time period was less than 30 days, you could be in a predatory loan. If you were never asked to supply W-2s or tax returns to verify your ability to repay, if you were in a stated income loan or a no-doc or no-income loan, you may be in a predatory loan. If you're in a loan where you have 4 payment options, a minimum option, an interest-only option, a 30-year payment option, or a 15-year payment option. If you have 4 options to pay monthly, you are in a predatory loan. If you're in an adjustable rate loan that has a 2-year fixed rate and adjusts after 2 years, or a 3-year, 5-year, 7-year fixed rate, and you haven't supplied income documentation, you are probably in a predatory loan. If you've gotten loans in the past 10 years from AmeriQuest, Option 1, New Century, Fremont, Washington Mutual, Wells Fargo, IndyMac, and the list goes on and on and on and on. Hit the website at www.aplannow.org. Look at a list of all of the predatory lenders that were out there. Okay? There are laws out there to protect you, the consumer, against this predatory lending. There's Consumer Protection Acts, there's the FTC Act, there are regulatory bodies like the OCC, the OTS, the FDIC that have all sorts of regulations out there that the banks did not comply with that violate consumer protection laws. While predatory lending may not have a definite, defined definition in law, it is out there, it is plain to see, and it is defendable. You need to call or get in touch with A-Plan through the website. The website again is www.aplannow.org or at 888-330-7330. You got to have your rights defended. You have to have the forensic mortgage analysis done first, comprehensively, and you have to have competent attorney representing you. It's your house, it's your family, it's your call.